guys, I'm sure you heard about United Airlines dragging out one of their overbooked passengers. That got me thinking, what if my mom was on that flight? Wait, I'm having a mobile giveaway! Subscribe and comment below your email and country. Woo!
Attention please, this is the final call for flight 9111 to Guam. Departing passenger.
Heyla, did you tidy up your room? Did you make sure the oven is closed? Close it. Yalla. Want some vine leaves? يكون أنا vine leaves. Your loss.
Sorry, Mom. We have an overbooked flight. We have to ask you to leave.
Guys, oh my god, what are you doing?
No, this is so wrong. Oh my God, look at what you did to her.